I'm going to show you how to make the sapphire neck. We have here a split in between. You can't see it from the front, but it's on the side. What I have here is 26 gauge dead soft wire, and I've threaded through a 3mm sapphire bead. I do the same on the other side. What I do then is, using chain nose pliers, I do this, flatten it so that it doubles up the wire and it will not go through the bead. I do the same. I just crimp it down and I squeeze it tight, and then I cut it using flush cutters, and then I straighten this out. What happens is it keeps it in place. I can repeat this process using another sapphire. I go through there, a little blue sapphire. Then I flip this way. Now, if you want, if you're skilled, you can make it slightly smaller by cutting it so the tips will be less. And if you wish, you could use ball pins on one side. There are many different possibilities. You go down this way, and you do the same. And do it this way. And squeeze down. So it crosses over, but that's okay, because you get to straighten it out afterwards. There you go. And you can continue doing that. Straighten it out like this and pull on it. Hold on flat, twist it, and flatten it out. And there you have it.